Hello students, today we'll see in operation in decimal fraction. Inside it, today we will see subtraction of a fraction. Okay, so yesterday we had seen that how to do the addition of the fractions, and I told you to solve the second question from this, and now you have to solve the question number 3, and that is how to do the subtraction that I will explain you. Now, how to do the subtraction of decimal fraction? Inside it, I will solve some of the examples here. So, I will write the number example here first of all. 3.231 minus 1.12. Okay, so this is the example 1 to 0. This is a simple example. I took it first for better understanding. So first of all, 1 minus 0 is 1. Generally how we are doing, and one thing I told you that we have to write decimal point is there, it's below, we have to write the decimal point. In answer also we have to write the decimal point at that place only. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now decimal point is there, so give the decimal point here. So this is our decimal point, and 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So its answer is 2.111. Okay, suppose this is a question, all of you note down this. Now I will take one more example, that is 4.23 minus 2 point, otherwise I will take it here 8.23 6.251. Okay, now I have to do the subtraction of this fraction. So first of all, what I have to do, I have to write this number upside. So here it is 8.23. As I told you before only, here point is there, so point below point we have to write here 6.251. We have to do the subtraction of both. Okay, so point below point we written here. Now if you see here, 1 is a single digit over here, and here at this place any number is not there, so at that place we have to write here 0. Okay, now 0 minus 1 is possible? Not. So we have to take here 10, and 10 we have to borrow 1 from here, so here remains 2, 1 is here, so 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. Okay, now again 2 minus 5 is not also possible, it is also not possible, so we have to borrow 1 from this 2. So when I borrow from here, here remains 1. Now 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, then next 1 minus 2, again it is impossible, so we have to borrow 1 from this side, so here it is 11, and 11 minus 2 is equals to 9, and here remains 7, and 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, and here point below point we have to give. So here it is my point, is there. Okay, so this is my answer is, its answer is 1.979. In this way you have to solve this example. Again I will take one more example for better understanding. Suppose here it is the question 435.7 minus 26.432. Such types of examples are coming. So without doing any confusion, first of all you have to write this first decimal fraction. So here 435.7 minus 26.43. So point will come here, points before 26 is there, so the 26 right here, 400's place keep it as it is, because it is tens place and it is unit and it is tens place. So here 26.432. Okay, now I have to do the subtraction of this both. So here numbers are not there, so as I told you, we have to take 0 here. Now 0 minus 2 is impossible, so we have to what, borrow 1 from this side. So first of all I will write this 0 at upside. I have to borrow 1 from here, but here is nothing is there, so I have to borrow from here. So here it will be 6, here it will be 10, and then 10, from 10 1 will come here, and here it is 9. So 10 minus 10 minus this minus 2 is equals to 8. So here it will be 8. 9 minus 3 is its answer is 6. 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. Okay. Now next it is the I have to give the point below the point. Now here decimal fractions, additions, subtraction over. Now I have to give the point. Now 5 minus 6 is it also impossible. So I have to write 5 here. I have to borrow 1 from this side. So I borrow 1 from here. So here remains 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 15 minus 6 is equals to how much it is there? 9. Okay. 15 minus 6 is equals to 9. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. And this 4 we have to write as it is. So whenever you are doing the subtraction or otherwise addition of a decimal fractions, the most important thing is that we have to arrange the numbers properly. And point below, if you are writing the point, then your answer will be definitely it will be correct. Okay. So arrangement is very important. So note down this also question. Again I will take one more question and then we will move towards our practice set. Okay. Now here suppose I will take one example. 403.26 minus 252.314. So I will do here 403.26 minus 252 minus 0.314. First step, if number is not there, we have to give 0 here, subtraction. So 0 minus 4 is not possible. So we have to borrow 1 from this side. So here it is 10. 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. 5 minus 1 equals to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now the next 2 we can't subtract 3 from 2. So we have to do here, we have to write this 2 as it is first of all and borrow 1 from here. So here remains 2 and 12 minus 3 is equals to 9. Next 2 minus 2, point below point. Okay, point below point we have to give here 2 minus 2, 0. Now here it is 10. Okay, and 10 minus 5. We have to borrow 1 from this side. So here remains 3 and 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. In this way we have to do the subtraction of a decimal fraction. So all of you practice this and solve this question number 2nd. Now we will see the questions from the problem set number 14. Okay. Hello. So here is the subtractions question. Yesterday I took this question. Okay, yesterday I took this question box also. Additions example I told you to solve, how to solve, and subtractions also today I told you how to solve. Now we see these questions. Avinash traveled 42 kilometer and 365 meter by bus. This much by bus. 12 kilometer and 460 kilometer by car, and he walked 640 meter. Then how many kilometers did he travel altogether? Write your answer in the decimal fraction. Okay, so it is very easy. So first of all, what I will do, I will write here the answer. So first of all, just see here, questions are here only in front of you. So here 42 kilometers he walked by what they told you. Here is the question. So he traveled by bus. So by bus, how many kilometers he traveled? That is 42. Here we have to give the headings for this. So here, now we have to solve this question. So in this question inside, that boy is there, he is what? Traveling distance by which? 3. He walked. Then here afterwards what? He just used the car, he used the bus for it. So how much distance he had covered by bus? So it is 42 kilometer and how much? 365 meter by bus. Okay. The next 12 kilometer, here it will be point. Kilometer and meters inside we have to give the decimal point. 12 kilometer and 460 meter by car. And at last he walk how many? 640 meter. 640 meter. Kilometer is what will be? It will be empty then. So 0.640 meter he walk. Okay, so you have to do the addition of this all. Okay, the boy is there, he walk by 42 kilometer 365 by bus, 12 kilometer 460 by car, and 640 meter by walking he covered the distance. And we have to find out how much distance all together he had covered. So first of all together means we have to do the addition of this. So first of all 5 unit place we will this, which place I told you, this place is hundreds, tens place, 100 place, and thousandths place we will do the addition. So 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. Yes, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 6 plus 6 12, and 12 plus 4 what it is there? 16. So I will write 6 here and 1 will come here, carry. Okay, now next term 6 plus 4 10, and 10 plus 4 14. So 4 will come here and 14 1 will goes here for the carry. Next point is decimal points. Point we have to give here 2 plus 2 4, and plus 1 is equals to 5, and 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So total distance covered by that boy is equals to 55 kilometer 465 meter. So you have to solve this example in this way. Okay, this is the first word problem. Okay, now after this we will move towards the another word problem. So Avinash traveled total how many? Just we see how much distance he had traveled. Now we will see the next. Now here it is the second question. Next, fifth question. Aisha brought 1.80 meter cloth for what? Salwar. Cloth for salwar. And 2.25 meter cloth for kurta. Okay, for kurta. And if the cost of 120 rupees per meter, then how much must she pay to the shopkeeper? So we have to solve this example. Then now in the next example, that is example number 5 inside, Aisha is there. Okay, and Aisha brought what she brought? Aisha brought cloth for salwar and the kurta. Okay, so how much cloth she brought, that we have to find out, and its price also we have to find out. So first of all Aisha brought 1.80 meter cloth, 1.80 meter cloth for salwar. Okay, he brought it for the salwar, and 2.25 meter cloth, 25 meter cloth for kurta. Okay, so how much is the total cloth she had brought? 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Okay, 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. So 1 I will write here and 1 will carry, and here decimal point below, decimal 2 3 4. So it is 4.05 meter cloth she brought all together. Okay, now we have to find out the cost of it. So for that what we have to do? We have to do the cost of 1 meter cloth is equals to how much? It is 120 meter. So we have to write the cost of, okay, the cost of 1 meter cloth is 120 rupees. 120 rupees. Okay, 120 rupees. Then the cost of 4.05 meter cloth is equal to 4.05 into 120. And when you solve this example, you will get the answer 486.00. Okay, multiplication inside I will tell you how to do this, but now here its answer is how to give the point and all. So first of all its multiplication is this. Okay, and I have to give the point here. Now in question inside I have to check where is the point. So if you see here, the 4.05 inside, point after how many digits are there? 2 digits are there, and 120 inside, there is no any digit after decimal point. So total here 2 are there. So from right side you have to leave the 2 digits. So 1, 2 and give here point. So the total cost of, so here total cost of cloth is equals to 486 rupees, because point after zeros are there, it doesn't have any value. So you have to solve this example in this way. Okay, understood? Now we will note down all of you this. Okay, so here it is Aisha's, it is there Salwar, and that you have to write and complete this example. Now we will see the next example, example number. Now here Aisha brought how much? How Aisha paid 486 rupees for bringing these clothes. Now sixth question we will see. The next question is the Sujata brought watermelon of weight 420 kg. Okay, and she gave 1 kg 750 grams to the childrens. Then how children in neighborhood. Okay, she gave the neighborhood 1.750 grams of what? Watermelon. Then how much does she have left? This is the question. So we will solve this question. So first of all, now Sujata. Okay, Sujata brought how much watermelon from the market? That Sujata bought how much watermelon? 4.25 kg, 4.25 kg of watermelon, and she gave 1.750 grams, 750 grams to whom? To her neighbors. So we have to find out how much watermelon left in her home. So for that, what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. So I will show you the subtraction. So first of all, how much she brought? 4 kg and 25 grams. 4 kg 25 grams means 4.25, and she gave 1 kg and 750 grams to her neighbor. So in decimal we are writing 1.750 grams. As you know that here 0 is there, 0 get cancelled with 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, and 2 minus 7 is not possible, so we have to write 12. 12 minus 7 is equals to how much it is there? 5. How much it is there? 5. And we borrow 1 from this side, so here remains 3. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, and point below point we have to give here. So answer is 2.500 grams. Means only what? That Sujata left how much watermelon with her? That is 2.5 kg of water is left in her home. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this example. Now we will see the last example from the exercise. Okay, now all of you note down the examples whatever I taught you that, and now we will see the last example, that is the example number 7. And in this example, Anita was driving at a speed of 85.6 km per hour. In 1 hour, she is covering the distance 85.6 km. The road had speed limit of 55 km per hour. Okay, so by how much should she reduce? Reduce word came here. Just one thing I have to tell you, all together. Okay, total. If such a words are coming, then we have to do the addition. Okay, we have to do the addition. How much left, how many more, how much reduce. If such a type of words will come in the question, we have to do the subtraction. Okay, so we will see this question. So Anita was driving at a speed of 85 point how much? 6 km, and the speed limit is how much? 55 km. So you do the simply subtraction of this, you will get the answer of 8. Okay, so I will show you. So Anita, what is her speed? Anita's speed we have to write at first, because we have to find out the speed that should she reduce from original speed to speed limit 55 km. So here it is, her speed is Anita's speed. This is Anita's speed. Okay. Then Anita's speed, and what is the speed limit is there? 55 km per hour. So here speed limit is there, and we have to find out the what? We have to find out how much speed she should reduce. Okay. So for that I have to subtract this. So 6 minus 0 is 6, and we have to find out the reduced speed. Okay. So reduced speed is equal to 85.6 minus 55. 6 minus 0 6, point below point give, 5 minus 5 is 0, and 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. So she should reduce 30.6 km per hour speed which she should reduce. Then she will, what happens? She will acquire the speed limit. So you have to note down these all questions. You have to solve it proper way, okay, and send me on my personal number. So today we have finished word problems from practice number set number 14. So all of you complete this practice set number 14 and send me on my personal number. So today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.